Hey Ryan, great question about Nearpod and Clever. So I'm here in my facilitator side of Nearpod. Or Clever rather. I've pulled up the Nearpod app. Here on the right, you can see that I went ahead and installed it for several of the pages that I have access to, several of the pages and classes. I can go ahead and add any pages or classes that I want this app to have access to here within this space. Once that's been done, and I go back to any of those pages that are in the list, and I ensure that the learners are listed as being able to access that, for example, test student here. If I switch over to test student and see what they have here on their Clever dashboard, let's go to English, for example. I see that Nearpod is here. They click that. It logs them in through their Google account, so they don't have to, if you're familiar with the traditional Nearpod experience, they're first asked for the 5-digit code, then their name, or vice versa. They're now just asked for this 5-digit code. You'll be able to generate this code on your end. If I switch back to myself here, when I launch Nearpod, I'll be able to pull up any Nearpods that I have already created for either live participation or student-paced. I'll just go with live participation. That'll go ahead and give me that 5-digit code. I can give that to the learners. They'll put that in. It is not case sensitive. As soon as they put that in, they'll be able to join that Nearpod session and participate in it. I hope this overview was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any follow-up questions. I'm happy to help. Thanks.